Well, here's the finished product. It came out fairly good. Not exact as I wanted it, but it's good enough for the girls I go with. And I will have to come back and go ahead and fill some of it back in, but not bad. Now I have to do it 3 other times, the other side and then both sides of the B unit. But it shows up pretty good gold, that's for sure. I'm gonna have to let it dry for about 24 hours before I try to turn it over and do the other side. But anyway, I know one thing for sure, that's a better job than I could have done freehand. Okay, so there you go.